Ripper, and I'm here to show you how to assemble the easels that Spencer's been working with you on. Each box will have 6 easels. They will come unassembled, and there will be a hardware packet in each one. Okay. Each easel has 3 legs. 2 of them are long, 1 is short. You can do this on the floor, but if you got a table handy, that's just as good. And then what you do is you've got to get these things lined up even, like this, and something like that. All the holes, all of these pre-drilled holes will be on the front. Okay? Now, what you do then is you take the top hook, right here, lay this in right here. Okay? Right like that. You take the bolt right here, stick it through here, just thread it through like that. Then you take a washer and the wing nut here, put it over here, just put it on this right here. And what you want to do is really just kind of start it. Start the wing nut. You don't want to cinch it down because you might have to make adjustments. Then this is the stage we're at right now. Okay? Right there. Now we have to do the cross arm now. Cross arm and the hook. These are these parts right here. Okay? You have the eye bolt right here, which is it's a simple wood screw with an eye bolt. It's not difficult. Put this right here. You screw this in. Right like that. All of these pieces will come pre-drilled. They're all pre-drilled. They're all pre-drilled where you have to screw things in. It's not a difficult deal. This here is the hook, the leg hook thing. That also has an eye bolt on one end of it right here. That will just screw in right here. Right like that. Okay, now one thing that's left is fastening this into the front. Okay? These are 2 wing nut screws. Okay, where you've got, it's basically a wood screw with a wing nut twist attached on top. Put this into the pre-drilled hole in the back, right here. Here, I'll turn this around so you can get some light there and you can see this. Everything's pre-drilled. Normally what I do is I like to get these things started so they just start to come out on the other side. Okay? And do the same thing here. Right like that. Okay? Then you take this cross arm and you put this right here. And you join that up, and you mate it up with the hole, and then you screw this down. Then you do the same thing on the other side. Right there. Screw that in. Right like that. Pull this back to the right distance. Put the hook through. Then you might want to adjust this up here, maybe get it a little bit tighter, but right now that's tight enough already. Okay? And this is your easel. It's all set to go, ready to go to work.